Welcome back to my affiliate marketing video series on the Thrifty Flex channel. So far, we've covered how to choose a niche and create valuable content. Today's video will focus on monetization, how to actually earn from all that great content. The top strategies for monetizing an affiliate site include joining affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Do research to find the best payouts and products to promote. Amazon Associates is a good baseline program to start with. Using affiliate links correctly, make sure to abide by FTC guidelines and be transparent with readers. Link to recommended products naturally within content. Displaying affiliate banners and brand images. Follow each advertiser's guidelines on how to correctly display and attribute banners or brand logos. Promoting affiliate-created products like ebooks. An ebook allows you to capture emails and push affiliate offers to subscribers. Building an email list. Email marketing lets you promote affiliate offers to engage subscribers over time for recurring revenue. Selling ad space. You can generate income by selling ad spots directly on your site once you build significant traffic. The key is first focusing on creating value through your content, then introducing monetization options to provide additional value to your audience. Multiple income streams will maximize your earnings long term. Up next, we'll dive into tactics for getting more eyeballs on all that great, monetized content. Stay tuned and don't forget to follow the Thrifty Flex.